How to Research Crypto in 2024 Ultimate Guide. In 2024, the world of cryptocurrency continues to expand rapidly, presenting investors and fans with both new potential and complications. Understanding how to conduct effective cryptocurrency research has never been more important. Whether you're a seasoned investor trying to diversify your portfolio or a first-timer excited by the possibilities of blockchain technology, navigating this volatile market requires a solid research foundation. This ultimate guide intends to provide you with the necessary tools and tactics for conducting extensive research in the Bitcoin market. Understanding blockchain principles, evaluating tokenomics, and studying market movements are all important steps in making informed investing decisions. In this book, we'll look at a variety of research approaches, such as fundamental analysis to evaluate a project's technology and team, technical analysis to check price movements and market mood, and sentiment analysis to gauge community perception and market psychology. Furthermore, we'll discuss the significance of regulatory considerations, security measures, and staying current on industry news and advancements. Whether you want to find good investment possibilities or learn more about the revolutionary potential of decentralized finance DeFi, mastering the art of crypto research will help you navigate this fascinating but volatile market landscape more effectively. Let's take a deeper look at analyzing cryptocurrencies for prospective investment, concentrating on numerous features and tactics that might assist users in identifying profitable ventures. Introduction. In the volatile world of cryptocurrencies, generating money frequently depends on early detection of potential coins and tokens. Success necessitates thorough investigation into their technological foundations and future applications. This tutorial digs into a methodical approach to cryptocurrency research, providing you with the knowledge you need to navigate this complicated world and make informed investing decisions. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks that use blockchain technology, with each giving its own set of features and utility. Research begins with understanding a coin's primary purpose and the problem it seeks to answer. Evaluating the project's white paper, staff competence, and community interaction gives information about its credibility and long-term feasibility. Technical analysis is important because it examines price charts, trade volumes, and market patterns to determine investor sentiment and anticipated price changes. Furthermore, analyzing regulatory issues and market trends ensures a thorough grasp of risks and possibilities. By taking a rigorous approach to cryptocurrency research, you may position yourself to capitalize on future trends and breakthroughs, guiding your investments toward long-term success in this volatile financial landscape. 1. Identifying promising cryptocurrencies. Understanding market narratives. Understanding market narratives is critical for navigating the large Bitcoin world successfully. Rather than examining each cryptocurrency, concentrate on identifying dominant storylines that are likely to impact the next bull market. Examples include artificial intelligence AI, real-world asset tokenization, gaming platforms, and decentralized finance DeFi. These storylines not only pique investors' interest, but also cause significant price movements as market sentiment aligns with technical breakthroughs and societal trends. By staying updated about these underlying themes, investors may position themselves to capitalize on emerging opportunities and prospective growth sectors within the volatile Bitcoin ecosystem. Selection criteria. Market cap categories. Sorting cryptocurrencies by market capitalization helps to spread risk and possible reward. Large-cap cryptocurrencies have market capitalizations above $1 billion, providing stability and liquidity. Medium-cap coins vary from more over $100 million to little less than $1 billion, balancing risk and growth potential. Small-cap cryptocurrencies valued at less than $100 million have a high level of risk but have the potential to deliver big gains in unpredictable markets. Investors frequently divide their portfolios across various categories based on risk tolerance and investing objectives, taking advantage of the diverse opportunities offered by each section of the Bitcoin market. Accessibility. Accessibility is critical when choosing cryptocurrencies, particularly for retail investors in areas such as the United States. Ensure that the coins on your list are available on platforms that comply with local legislation, increasing trading volume and liquidity. This accessibility not only makes it easier to buy and sell, but it also helps to keep prices stable and investors confident. Checking exchange listings and regulatory compliance ensures that selected cryptocurrencies are accessible to regular investors, allowing for greater involvement and engagement in the expanding digital asset market. Research tools. Use specialized tracking services like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko to do in-depth cryptocurrency research. These platforms provide comprehensive lists organized by market capitalization, making it easy to find coins associated with specific narratives such as decentralized finance DeFi, gaming, or artificial intelligence. Use filters to narrow your search based on market cap categories: large cap, medium cap, and small cap for more efficient investigation of potential investment options. Furthermore, these solutions provide key indicators like as trading volume, price trends, and community participation, allowing for more informed decision-making. By effectively using cryptocurrency tracking services, you may expedite your research, stay up to current on market movements, and uncover attractive assets that fit your investing plan and risk tolerance. 2. Deep dive into foundational research. Founder interviews and presentations. Founders play an important part in comprehending a cryptocurrency project's goal, technology, and marketing approach. Watching interviews and speeches by founders provides vital information about the project's origins, goals, funding, and competitive advantages. Look for clarification on how the project intends to reach its target market and gain adoption. These first-hand accounts can provide a better knowledge and confidence when assessing the long-term feasibility and possible growth of a Bitcoin investment. Secondary resources and metrics. Reputable descriptions. Platforms such as Binance Research and Messari provide extensive project descriptions that address technology, tokenomics, and market potential. These sources offer a broader perspective and can validate or contradict information from primary sources. Adoption metrics. Check blockchain explorers for new and active wallet metrics, DeFi total value locked TVL, and dApp usage. These metrics measure user engagement and project scalability. 3. Media coverage analysis. Cryptomedia reputation. Examine coverage from reliable cryptocurrency news sources such as Cointelegraph and CoinDesk. Media attention can bolster a project's authenticity and market impression. Lack of publicity could suggest either early-stage development or a concept with low market interest. Bias assessment. Consider the inherent biases in media coverage that stem from outlet ownership and financing sources. Cross-referencing coverage from numerous sites provides a more balanced picture of market mood and project perception. 4. Digging into project blogs and updates. Blog post analysis. Analyzing project blogs, particularly on platforms such as Medium, provides significant information on Bitcoin projects. These blogs frequently include historical landmarks, technical updates, and community involvement initiatives to demonstrate the project's transparency and development progress. They provide a more detailed view of the team's communication style, commitment to innovation, and adherence to roadmap objectives. Furthermore, blogs can reveal future goals and strategic orientations that may not be completely covered by the media or regular financial reports. By frequently monitoring and analyzing project blogs, investors acquire a more complete understanding of the project's trajectory, potential difficulties, and possibilities, allowing them to make more informed investment decisions in the volatile cryptocurrency market landscape. Entity research. Extend your inquiry to related firms such as software companies and nonprofit foundations that support the project. These entities frequently provide updates and insights that supplement the project's narrative and operational openness. 5. Examine the website and review the documentation. Site navigation. Explore the project's official website, software firm, and charitable foundation pages. Look for detailed information about technology, tokenomics, and team background. Confirm consistency with previously collected data from interviews, blogs, and media coverage. Documentation. Deep dive. Review all project documentation, including white papers, technical specifications, and FAQs. Documentation should cover project design, token utility, governance procedures, and security standards. Incomplete or ambiguous documentation raises concerns about project validity and operational openness. Conclusion. In 2024, the cryptocurrency landscape continues its rapid expansion, offering both new opportunities and challenges for investors and enthusiasts alike. Understanding how to conduct effective research in this dynamic market has never been more crucial. Whether you're a seasoned investor diversifying your portfolio or a newcomer intrigued by blockchain technology, navigating this volatile terrain requires a solid research foundation. This ultimate guide aims to equip you with essential tools and strategies for conducting comprehensive cryptocurrency research. From understanding blockchain principles and evaluating tokenomics to analyzing market trends and sentiment, each step is designed to empower you in making informed investment decisions. By exploring various research approaches like fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and sentiment analysis, you can better assess the potential of cryptocurrencies and identify promising investment opportunities. Mastering the art of cryptocurrency research not only helps you find profitable ventures, but also enables you to grasp the transformative potential of decentralized finance, DeFi, and other emerging sectors. By staying informed, vigilant, and adaptable, you can navigate the complexities of the cryptocurrency market landscape with confidence and clarity, positioning yourself for long-term success in this exciting digital frontier. Let us know in the comments what you think about this, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.